Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and we'll go ahead and start by mapping out the current range that we're dealing with. And as you can see, it broke structure again overnight. This has clearly been impulsive, hasn't retraced back in the discount, and has been trading in a consolidating ascending channel. Let's go ahead and draw that out. I'm not seeing any. I mean, there are opportunities to buy here. It's a little too high for my taste to buy. Not looking for any sell opportunities. Normally you can sell back down to the discount like I've been saying, but I have to see some of the structure break, some of this demand be taken out before I look for any sales. Because it has just been so impulsive and buyers have been clearly in control, I'm looking for any type of retracement back into discount, into any other demands on any type of bullish momentum shift in order to take any buys. But as you can see, overnight, it has continued to break further, making higher highs. It took out the high and higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is bullish. Swing structure is bullish. Fractal structure is bullish. Everything is still bullish, even though it looks overextended. And most people are expecting a pullback. It's still currently bullish. Most people are expecting this to go ahead and take out the liquidity sitting under these lows, and when that happens, that's when there's a possible sell opportunity back in the discount, or you can just wait until it goes to the discount and makes a bullish momentum shift to take out and target the highs. GBP USD, similar chart. Let's go ahead and map out the range, and just like a euro, overnight it has continued to break structure to the upside. This was a corrective retracement, still leaving liquidity under the lows. A lot of liquidity building up, still no selling opportunity, still in an ascending channel, with just a high probability that it will take out the lows, just like with euro, which I'll be looking for any type of retracement back in the discount and any type of demand area reaction and bullish momentum in order to target the highs of the overall range, although this could continue to keep on pushing forward depending on any fundamental news, fundamental dollar news. Could just be building up for FOMC tomorrow, but overnight it did go ahead and break out past, go ahead and break structure again, making higher highs, higher lows, and now we're sitting at the top of the range, so no opportunity that I can see presenting itself until it starts to retrace back and start taking out the liquidity under the lows. AUD USD, and what we've been saying, let's go and map out the current overall range. It had retraced back into discount, and we've been looking for any type of buying opportunity once it started consolidating on a bull flag, and then it consolidated sideways. Now it's broken out past the highs of that range. So we're swing structure is bullish, fractal structure bullish, change character, as you can see overnight, and now we're at the top of the range. So no, I mean everything's bullish, but I'm not looking for any buying opportunities this high of the range. Not looking for any sales either, because of the buyers are clearly stepped back in. Should be targeting the highs of the overall structure. So any type of retracement, possibly even a retracement from this impulse into discount, could give you an opportunity to buy. But just again, be on the lookout for any type of fundamental news on the dollar and the dollar index. But overall, it should be targeting the highs. If it does retrace back, we're looking for any opportunity, any opportunity when the bullish momentum kicks in, when the chart presents itself. NZD USD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. This price action is also at the highs of the range. It is similar to AUD USD. Started retracing, started consolidating sideways, built up momentum, and there was a bullish push out of that range, and it has broken the highs of the previous range. So swing structure bullish, fractal structure is bullish, and we're at the highs of the range. So I don't see any selling opportunity. You can sell back down into discount, but like I've been saying with these US dollar pairs, buyers have just been impulsive, should be retracing and then continuing to target the highs of the range, but no opportunities is presenting itself right now. GBP AUD, what we've been saying about this pair. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. It was forming a wedge. It has been overextended. Then it formed a wedge, an ascending wedge earlier this week, towards the end of last week, and it has broken down that wedge. So look for any type of retracement down into discount in order to look for any opportunity to buy, as the swing structure is bullish right now. It is retracing back, breaking structure to the downside. Breaking structure to the downside, as you can see, taking out the liquidity, have taken out the liquidity of this low, and there's still other lows to go to target. It looks like buyers have stepped back in. It looks like it was, in the positive candle overnight, but I would need to see more increase in buyer activity. Also, there's liquidity sitting above these highs in order for a good opportunity to present itself, but I'll be watching this pair closely. And these cross pairs are affected by fundamental news also. It just will be looking for that, but overall, I'll be looking for any type of retracement back into discount and any type of bullish momentum shift in any area of demand in order to target the highs of the overall structure. But again, this has been very impulsive, and this could not pull back into 50%. Could just make it shift and continue targeting highs from here. So I'll be watching this pair closely along with GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. It's a similar situation. It started to form an ascending wedge, and it broke down past out of the wedge. Now it has retraced back into discount. Let's go ahead and take out. No longer relevant, the wedge, but it did take out the liquidity sitting under the lows of that wedge pattern that was forming. This one's a little bit more impulsive to the downside, GBP NZD, and it has gone into discount. So we'll be looking for any type of bullish momentum shift. That indicates that the buyers have stepped back in, and this overall structure will continue. So we'll look for any type of, since the swing structure is bullish, fractal structure is retracing right now. As soon as it flips and starts to take out some of the highs, that's when the buying opportunity will present itself, and I'll be looking to take a buy in order to continue targeting the highs of the overall range, but also still pay attention to any fundamental news on the dollar, because cross pairs are affected also. But this is one pair that has already traced back, unlike GBP AUD is still in the premium area, but this has a trace back into discount of the overall range. So any type of buying opportunity I'll be looking for in order to take a buy. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.